Hi everyone! In this tutorial I'll show you how to create an expanding card effect using HTML and CSS. When hovering over a card, it expands smoothly, revealing additional text. We'll also adjust the layout for smaller screens. The title moves to the top and the cards stack vertically. Let's get started. First, let's look at the HTML. This section contains a title and a card container. Each card consists of 3 elements: an image, a number, and an overlay with a title. This title will appear when hovering over the card. Let's move on to CSS. In this part, we'll style the cards and add the hover effect. We'll also make the layout responsive. By the way, we set different font families for the titles and numbers. Now we define CSS variables for the background and border colors. This property removes any inherited bold styling from the title. We set a dark background and use Flexbox to center content. The section is arranged using a grid layout. The title is placed on the left, while the cards are positioned on the right. The min content property ensures the title takes up the minimum size. The card container has a height of 80 viewport height, and we use Flexbox to align the cards in a row. Initially, all cards have equal width, but they expand when hovered. The number is positioned in the top left corner. It also features a gradient text effect. On hover, it gets a glowing shadow effect. Initially, the image has a grayscale filter. On hover, the image slightly scales up and returns to full color. The overlay has a gradient background and remains hidden by default. When hovering over a card, the overlay becomes fully visible, revealing additional details. The text inside the overlay starts invisible and smoothly fades in when activated. On smaller screens, we reduce the font size of the number for better visibility. At this breakpoint, the number shrinks further to fit the layout. For smaller screens, the section switches to a single column layout. The title is set to max content, ensuring it takes up the maximum necessary space. The cards stack vertically instead of remaining in a row. The number is positioned slightly upward and it shrinks for mobile screen sizes. When hovering over the card, it expands to the full height of the container instead of increasing in width. And there you have it. We've created the expanding cards with smooth hover effects using only HTML and CSS. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest tutorials. Thanks for watching.